Get ready to have your mind blown by the top 5 discoveries that seem more like science fiction than reality. From heart transplants from genetically engineered pigs to artificial intelligence predicting protein structures, these groundbreaking advancements will leave you questioning what's truly possible in the world of science and technology. Welcome. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most incredible discoveries of 2022 that seem like they belong in a sci-fi movie rather than in the real world. These groundbreaking advancements are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and get ready to have your mind blown as we count down the top 5 discoveries in the life sciences of 2022. Number 5. The Human Genome Project, launched in 2003, aimed to read and understand all of the genetic information contained within human DNA. While the project was successful in decoding the majority of the human genome, certain tangled sections of DNA proved to be difficult to decipher. Finally, this year a team of researchers was able to complete the human genome, providing a fully decoded and improved version of our genetic code. This achievement represents a major milestone in the field of genetics and has the potential to revolutionize the way we understand and treat diseases. With the complete human genome now at our fingertips, the possibilities for medical breakthroughs are endless. Number 4. A groundbreaking discovery was made earlier this year when scientists suggested that the EpsteinBarr virus is a leading cause of the neurodegenerative disease multiple sclerosis. An analysis of millions of U.S. military recruits found that infection with the virus significantly increases the likelihood of developing multiple sclerosis. This connection between the virus and multiple sclerosis, which had been suspected but never definitively proven, has the potential to lead to new treatments or even vaccines for the disease. This discovery could have significant implications for the medical community and could potentially change the way we approach the prevention and treatment of multiple sclerosis. Number 3. Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in the field of structural biology with the development of a deep learning program called AlphaFold. This program has successfully predicted the 3D shapes of over 200 million proteins, providing researchers with a massive dataset that could aid in the study of health and disease in a variety of organisms. The predicted protein structures are not yet lab verified. Still, the convenience and accessibility of the data, made possible by the AI company that created AlphaFold, has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach biological research. The ability to quickly and easily access the predicted structures of proteins is a game changer, making it as simple as typing a protein's name into a search engine. Number 2. Organ transplants have reached a new level of innovation and are beginning to resemble science fiction. In January, a man received a heart transplant from a genetically engineered pig and survived for 2 months with the new organ. Other surgeries have involved the use of pig hearts in the bodies of brain-dead patients, paving the way for future clinical trials. In addition, a high-tech system has been developed that can keep organs functioning in pigs for up to an hour after death, potentially offering a way to preserve human organs for transplant surgery in the future. This technology involves pumping a mixture of real and artificial blood through the animals' bodies to keep the organs functioning. The potential for this technology is groundbreaking and could revolutionize the field of organ transplantation. Number 1. Growing synthetic embryos, a new breakthrough in the world of science and technology. This year, 2 reports revealed how scientists were able to fabricate the early stages of mammalian life by using mouse stem cells that self-assembled to create what looks like a fledgling embryo. This process does not require eggs or sperm. As the stem cells grow, they can form proto-hearts, brains, and guts. While these synthetic embryos only closely resemble natural mouse embryos for the first 8 days of development, the possibility of studying similar clusters of human stem cells could provide a way to research human embryo development without using actual embryos. The potential for this technology is vast and could revolutionize the way we understand and approach reproductive science. Well, there you have it, the top 5 discoveries that seem more like science fiction than reality. From synthetic embryos to organ transplants from genetically engineered pigs, these groundbreaking advancements have the potential to change the way we approach reproductive health, organ transplantation, and even biological research. It's truly incredible to see what scientists and technologists are capable of achieving, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 discoveries that seem more like sci-fi than real life. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you can watch another video just like this one by clicking the card on your screen.